Kani gade Pati CCTV.
Hakan reuterik mentau nopra ketenat Civil Defence and Home Guards jong kani kejela kala rakhe ka annual day. Haka pelau jong ka office rekam jong kani hi ketenat ka badan hamau ding diang. Hakani jelang lai don lang ru ka menteri sarkar ka bakhmi ya kani ketenat ka Deborah Marang ka berlong ka kongsan haka jelang. Kumju director jong kani ketenat UR Avasti bat kiwe de ki officer jong kani ketenat. Hakani kasngi lai don lang ru Upaya advisor naga Ministry of Home Affairs jong ka sarkar pedeng Udi Syami. Ubalai tu baka sarkar pedeng menta kalamang pisah Khambon man kentiu ya ka jing sakri jong ketenat Civil Defence and Home Guards hakaleng keri India. Halor kani uni uhe officer jong sarkar pedeng ula kentu ya kani ketenat ke bah kani kejela. Ban penbiang hikot kisla ki badan kam kentup ru ya ke utilization certificate kenang banyok benta na kani ke pisah ke balamang dak sarkar pedeng. Nakalang director jong ketenat Civil Defence and Home Guards jong kani kejela UR Avasti. Ulai tu baka sarkar pedeng menta nalor ya ke Jaipur kala kentup lang ru ya ki pulet Home Guards na kani kenong ba Shillong. Haka United National Development Program banyo ke jing pentebet ba ke jing pengkre ada wanja kinu-kinu ke jing shop ki buat kemarian.
The amount of work, the amount of service they're rendering to the people, to the society, heads up to you all. We people, we are receiving your service, we are getting your service throughout the year, so we must put to the people the service you are giving to us. That is why this is the day. At least we are getting privilege to observe the day to give you back.
Kani gade Pati CCTV.